attention sa tanang QC palego sa production office.
Babe, I'm living, I see it once again. Somehow trying to smile. I know the feeling of trying to forget. If only for a while. 'Cause I'll be lonely without you. I need your love to see me through. So please believe me, my heart is in your hand.
Okay, that was the song entitled Babe. Okay, this is DG. This girl from 911 event. I hope you are listening from the #1 event station radio. And Elia Tela.
Kana mo na.